हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू एसएससी फाउंडेशन। आज हम इंडियन पॉलिटी का एक मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक डिस्कस करेंगे जिसका नाम है फंडामेंटल राइट्स। तो आपकी कीमती समय की रिस्पेक्ट करते हुए चलिए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। नंबर 1, फंडामेंटल राइट्स इन द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन आर इंस्पायर्ड बाय द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ व्हिच कंट्री? करेक्ट आंसर यूएसए। नेक्स्ट, which articles of the Indian Constitution deal with fundamental rights? Correct answer, Articles 12 to 35. Next, which part of the Constitution is called the Magna Carta of India? Correct answer, Part 3. Next, initially, how many fundamental rights were provided by the Constitution? Correct answer, 7. Next, which fundamental right was deleted by the 44th Amendment Act 1978? Correct answer, right to property. Next, currently, right to property is which type of right? Correct answer, legal right. Next, equality before law and equal protection of laws is mentioned in? Correct answer, Article 14. Next, prohibition of discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex or place of birth. Correct answer, Article 15. Next, which article guarantees equality of opportunity in public employment? Correct answer, Article 16. Next, which article of the Constitution abolishes untouchability? Correct answer, Article 17. Next, abolition of titles comes under? Correct answer, Article 18. Next, how many freedoms are guaranteed by Article 19 of the Constitution? Correct answer, 6. Next, protection of life and personal liberty is mentioned in? Correct answer, Article 21. Next, which article provides the right to education for children aged 6 to 14 years? Correct answer, Article 21A. Next, right to education was added through which Amendment Act? Correct answer, 86th Amendment. Next, protection against arrest and detention in certain cases is under? Correct answer, Article 22. Next, prohibition of traffic in human beings and forced labor? Correct answer, Article 23. Next, which article prohibits the employment of children in factories below 14 years? Correct answer, Article 24. Next, freedom of conscience and free profession, practice and propagation of religion. Correct answer, Article 25. Next, freedom to manage religious affairs is mentioned in? Correct answer, Article 26. Next, protection of interests of minorities is provided in? Correct answer, Article 29. Next, right of minorities to establish and administer educational institutions? Correct answer, Article 30. Next, which article is known as the heart and soul of the Constitution? Correct answer, Article 32. Next, who described Article 32 as the heart and soul of the Constitution? Correct answer, B.R. Ambedkar. Next, how many types of writs can be issued by the Supreme Court under Article 32? Correct answer, 5. Next, which writ literally means to have the body of? Correct answer, habeas corpus. Next, which writ is issued by a higher court to a lower court to stop it from exceeding its jurisdiction? Correct answer, prohibition. Next, fundamental rights are? Correct answer, justiciable. Next, which fundamental rights cannot be suspended even during a national emergency? Correct answer, Article 20 and 21. Next, under which article can the High Court issue writs for the enforcement of fundamental rights? Correct answer, Article 226. Next, which article of the Constitution gives Parliament the power to modify fundamental rights for armed forces? Correct answer, Article 33. Next, the right to freedom of religion is mentioned in which articles? Correct answer, Article 25 to 28. Next, protection in respect of conviction for offences is under? Correct answer, Article 20. Next, which article defines state in the context of fundamental rights? Correct answer, Article 12. Next, laws inconsistent with or in derogation of the fundamental rights are void under? Correct answer, Article 13. Next, the right against exploitation is mentioned in? Correct answer, Articles 23 to 24. Next, freedom for payment of taxes for promotion of any particular religion. Correct answer, Article 27. Next, martial law and fundamental rights are discussed in which article? Correct answer, Article 34. Next, which fundamental rights are available only to Indian citizens? Correct answer, Articles 15, 16, 19, 29 and 30. Next, who is the guardian of the fundamental rights in India? करेक्ट आंसर, जुडिशियरी। तो ये था आज का क्लास। अगले वीडियो में हम और भी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर्स डिस्कस करेंगे। तब तक अपना ख्याल रखिए, मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में।